Ow! Till you're dead.
What is that language?
What did you say?
Excuse me?
You're trapped forever.
You're what?
Trapped forever?
Oh.
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 Hey guys, don't wake up the baby.
There he goes.
You gotta get going. Daddy
Yeah.
misses you.
Yes, honey, I love you too.
Give me Mom.
Next time we have to plan for a sleepover for Lauren Grace Minor. Somehow.
Well, yeah, just, I mean,
How do we figure that out? We'll figure this out.
yeah. Well, she's done with swim lessons next Friday. The week from tomorrow.
Are you chugging that?
Do you want some?
Yeah, you guys will have to come up and you guys can go like to Lake Warmog or something and leave her here and
Here, this
so cool.
this I brought back from the casino last November for you for Christmas.